A friendly message by Dr. Zakir. The most profitable business.
Would you like to know the business in which you earn the maximum profit? The secret is given in the glorious Quran. In Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 261. The example of those who spend their wealth in the way of Allah is like a seed of grain, which grows 7 spikes. In each spike is 100 grains. And Allah multiplies His reward to whom He wills. If you spend your wealth in the way of Allah, you will get a return of 700 times. In business terminology, you will get a profit of 70,000%. Is there any business you know of in which you will get a better return? Invest today in the way of Allah.
Peace TV, the solution for humanity.